Hello everyone, this is Terry from Riotouch. Today I would like to introduce our AI functions. First, let's put in we need to choose pen. High school math formula. Okay, we can choose it and make it slightly smaller and hit the AI button. At this side, we can see that first we have OpenAI and DeepSeek. We use OpenAI to source the high school math formula. Yeah, here is the formulas, and also we can change the language to the other language. It's variations, and also we can do source in the other language. This set shows in the other language, and also we can see that here is our source image. We can source this one. Use Google high school math formula, and also we have the other website like YouTube. We can change to Microsoft Beam. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching the video.